Welcome back to the channel where we own our mindset, we shape our finances, and we take 100% of accountability. My name is Accountability B, and I'm going to tell you about my first full month in business as a full-time entrepreneur. I gotta play around, you gotta have some enjoyment in your life, but want to tell you guys about my first month in business, running my donut food trailer. It has been amazing, been able to do that, focus on my Toro, focus on some YouTube, getting some content and things of that nature. So it's been a little bit of, adjustment of really trying to get a cadence down, but I promise you guys, I'm not going anywhere. I'm still going to be here smiling, giving you guys the tools and everything that you need to be successful in your life, and just giving you some insight on pretty much my life and how I've been able to get to the point that I am today. So first month in business was great. We had a much better than expected month. My goal, I fell a little short of my goal. I had a very ambitious goal of 15,000 in gross sales. We fell a little bit short of that. We were at about 13.5 in gross sales. So definitely good. I had our grand opening on May 4th. And so, I'm proud of what we've been able to accomplish, and pretty much so I would say that that's some of the successes. Some other successes, I've got to, I signed up for the Chambers of Commerce. I've gotten to meet other individuals, other entrepreneurs, other business owners who have been, doing their business, learning about their business. I've also been able to collaborate with some other franchisees that are doing the same exact business as me. So it has been a very informative month, and really understanding, hey, where is the opportunities for my business? Where are maybe there untapped markets that, maybe some of the other people in my organization have not explored yet. And so it's really been a month of growth for me. So I will say my body had a lot to get used to. I definitely came from more of a white collar background, and now, as owning this business, definitely on my feet all day and things of that nature. So definitely had to get my body acclimated to that. But I think at this point in time, I'm pretty much at that point where, I'm ready to go, and I'm not feeling like completely sore after every event now. But it's been great. I feel like I made a good decision. I feel like I've been able to translate my sales skills from my career into this business. And, I focused on business development. That was what I was good at. And, that's what I'm doing now. And the good and gratifying thing about it is I'm doing it for me. I'm not doing it for another company. So, those are things that I am always look forward to in the morning, and, even late at night. If I'm working late, it's 1, 2 in the morning or whatever that may be, it's for me, it's for the betterment of my business. And there's a liberating feeling about that. And I was doing this when I was at my other career as well. And, but it's just something that feels different when you're doing it for yourself. So I'm very happy of what we've been able to do. Lessons learned, there was no like tough lessons or things that I needed to learn, but definitely needed to take some time in learning how to drive my trailer, learning, how to back up and things of that nature. I've learned how to hitch now and do some different things. And, I've really started to be a lot more hands-on. I come from team pay someone to do it for you. But, I've been able to be hands-on with the business and really, do a lot of my own work that, maybe otherwise I would have outsourced. So been proud about that. Things that I'm going to continue to focus on, continuing to focus on business development, continuing to focus on networking and providing value, and seeing how I can, add value to someone else's organization, add value to my organization, continuing to humble myself and know that, hey, I just got into this business. Even though I come from a business development background, I'm always trying to partner with other franchisees that have been doing this for a longer time, and get some insight on how they've been able to grow their business. So you always have to continue to keep learning and keep pushing that envelope, and never getting complacent on where you are in life. I'm very happy with the decision I've made. I'm happy to be able to jump on camera, let you guys know how things are going, and really I'm just excited for where things are going to be. I'm actually having a good time. I'm having a good time networking with people and being able to see kids enjoy our product, and being able to set days in stone where, hey, you know, now's my YouTube day, now's my day to make some content, now's my day to edit videos, whatever that may be. And so the one thing that I would give to people that are stepping out into entrepreneurship, or, you know, whether that be full-time or just, you know, part-time, is make sure you have a cadence and schedule, right? And make sure you're sticking to that schedule. So, you know, Mondays are really my business development day and things of that nature. And you know, you just set your week up for success. And when you set it up and you have that roadmap, you can actually hold yourself to that, hold yourself accountable to the standards and things that you said that you were going to do that day. And I promise you, that organization is going to do a lot for you in your business, your personal life, and everything else in between. So glad to report that, you know, things have gone good the first month. I'm going to continue to scrap, claw, and keep hustling so that I can practice what I preach and bring that same value here to you guys today, and encourage you to try to achieve something that has been on your mind. I know you guys have goals, dreams, and things that you want to accomplish in your life. And my one little bit of encouragement would be to believe that it's possible, but understand that it does come with sacrifice. It does come with hard work. It comes at a cost. And you just need to be willing to make sure that you're able to put that cost up. That cost may be your time. That cost may be your sleep. And as long as you're willing to sacrifice something in your life, know that whatever goal or ambition that you have, it's possible. And just approach it that I got to give it my all. I got one life to live, y'all. I got one life. You do too. And so you got to you got to get everything out of your life that you want. Everything that you want out of life is up to you. It's up to me. It's up to everybody who wants to take control of their life and say, you know what? I'm done with this. I need a change. I'm going to go after this. I'm not going to listen to everybody, the naysayers, even my family members who say it can't be done. I know it can be done, right? And you got to believe in yourself. You got to know that it's possible. And you got to be willing to put your feet on the ground and get to work, because it's going to take work. It's going to take hard work, but I guarantee you at the end, you'll be glad that you did it. All right. If you got value from this, go ahead, like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below. Let me know what new future goals that you're aspiring to. I'd love to talk to you about them. And until next time, the future I see is up to me. I'll talk to you later. Peace.